So guys, we are going to Chhat Ghat, which is our first destination. So we will meet you there. So guys, we have just reached Arpa Pul, and so this is the view of Chhat Ghat from Arpa Pul. We have not gone inside because as it is morning, so they haven't opened. And this is largest and organized Chhat Ghat of India. And we will just go to next destination after this. So let's go. So guys, we are going to our second destination. So we will meet you there. अंदर गेट घुसते So guys, we are at Bilasa Tal, and as you can see, this is closed now because now it is 7 a.m. and as it is written here that it will open at 9 a.m. So I will just show you the gate of this. You can see here. As you can see, the park is closed now, so I will put some shots and you can enjoy that, and we will go to our next destination. Our next destination, which is High Court, and let's go there. So guys, right now we are in front of High Court, and this High Court is very special because, so I will tell you why this is special, because this is Asia's largest High Court. So I am very proud that this is in our city Bilaspur, and you can also say this Chhattisgarh High Court or Bilaspur High Court. And actually this has constructed like 5 years ago only, and so this is the gate number 4. And you can see this is situated in National Highway 130. So let's go to our next destination and we will meet you there. So guys, this is Bubble Island, which is a amusement park in Bilaspur, and this is the best amusement park you can visit in Bilaspur. I used to come here when I was a kid, and I used to come here with my friends and my brothers, and it is a very good amusement park. It has also a restaurant, a pub, and a hotel, and patricians also. And the name of the hotel which is attached into it is Patricians only, and patricians also have a pub which is known as Ilium, and you can enjoy there, have fun. And so you can see this is the entrance, and as you can see, this is closed now because this is morning. So we will meet you in our next destination. Thank you so much. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the short. And as you can see, this is Kali Mandir, and this temple is one of the oldest temple in Bilaspur. And as you can see, there are very few people due to COVID-19, and the temple is like if before like because of COVID, people are not gathering here, and they are maintaining social distancing in the temple. And so this was our last main destination. And but yes, after this I will show you something. I will show you DPS, Delhi Public School of Bilaspur, because school has one of the largest campus in Bilaspur. And this school is very like it is very good. And every student who is giving board exam through CBSE, maybe they get a center here for writing their exams. So I will show you that school. And so this will be the school will be the last destination I will cover. So guys, we are in front of Delhi Public School. As you can see the gate behind the camera. uh, and this school is famous for its big campus and good facilities which are provided to the students. And as you can see, I will put some shots. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you liked my city Bilaspur. And so bye bye, take care, namaskar, and enjoy the outro of the vlog. Thank you. Bye.